who you call for help.
Call Nuremberg Paris, your local injury lawyers, so we can help you move forward again. 419-200-2300.
There we go. Welcome back. We normally do a trivia question before, but we brought you in pretty early here because no Eric, just me. Just me.
We just have a busy day then.
We have a busy day. And so everybody, Kate Philibom is here, thank goodness, helping me through. All my best people are here today when I'm on the solo gig. So I appreciate that.
Wonderful. And I hope Eric has a great day off.
I think so. He deserves it. So we have an Italian bowl inspired project.
Coming Saturday.
Okay.
So if you ever visited Italy, marbled paper is everywhere.
Okay.
Fancy papers, bookmaking. And of course, this started in the Mideast, 1400s, maybe even earlier. And as Europeans started to travel, then they picked up these ideas from Turkey and Japan and China.
And Istanbul, Constantinople.
Yes, but then Italians put their own twist on it.
Oh, okay.
So this is a fun project and very simple to make these marbled papers.
They're beautiful.
And
okay.
Some craft projects that we do here, we try to use recycled materials and things you have. These products you probably just don't have sitting around.
Right.
So I would suggest this is a little water marbling kit.
Ooh.
You can do about 20 pieces of paper with that one kit, and then test and see if it's something you want to invest a little bit more in.
Okay, so once you try it, you decide, okay,
I love this. I love this, I'm going to do more. So start with some warm water.
Okay, into the
2 cups
bowl?
of warm water into the bowl. And we need to thicken the water because we're going to put paint on top of it, and we want the paint.
We want some viscous.
Yes. So what you would be
viscosity?
doing is take the whisk, and you would.
Do you want me to stir it up?
Just sprinkle some carrageen. It's
Okay.
called. And this is the thickener, and you sprinkle that in the water. And now this water's gotten cold down here, but at home you'll see how there's clumps on top. But if you let it sit for like 30 minutes, it'll dissolve.
Okay, but pretend it did.
So you
pretend
need to prepare that first to put sizing in the water. So now this is a little thicker, and you can't really tell yet. But when you apply paint,
okay, I'm looking at
so the
it.
meniscus is should hold some of the paint. Some of the paint will sink to the bottom. So we
little
have
surface tension
teal,
on top
yellow,
there.
blue, white, red.
Okay,
What do you think?
let's go with red to start, right?
Okay. So you're just gonna put like 20 drops.
Just drops.
Just drops all around. And maybe get a little closer to the top of the water surface. Yeah. Now do you see how it's spreading?
Like that, more, less?
Yeah, a little more.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, good. You can see in the camera.
Yeah.
So this acrylic paint has a little bit of an extender in it, so it
spreads.
have to spread
More? How we
yeah,
do?
and it's floating on the top. That's great. Now, what other color would you like to add?
Did you say teal? Let's do some
Yeah,
teal.
here's some teal. So just right in the middle.
Do I avoid the other spots or just?
No, drop right on top of the red and see what happens. Get closer.
Oh yeah.
Ah. Can you tell in the camera? Wait till your hand moves to the other side.
Look, guys. Oh my gosh.
Now, do you see how it's spreading?
Oh, neat.
So this is the fun thing about you don't really know what your designs are going to look like.
That's the best kind. You can't
be mesmerizing.
Right, you've got to be. Oh my gosh, this is like I'm being hypnotized by this.
Yeah.
It's like what's going to happen?
It's kind of like the lava lamp of the 70s.
It is. It
so
is.
you can go back and add another layer of red, or do you want to do a different color?
What else we got?
We have yellow, white, and blue.
Let's do white.
Okay. Same
Okay.
thing. You're just going to get
right in the center.
Close to the surface of the water. You don't have to do it in the center.
Can I do it in another part?
Yeah, right. It just helps it spread.
I see. I see. Okay, and that. Oh, look at it! Pushes the others into different shapes.
It does.
Okay.
So if you get very good at this, you can actually manipulate your designs
based on what you think it might do.
Yeah, specific
okay.
designs after you learn how to manipulate the paint.
All right.
or
Let's
the
take
water.
that teal again. So I like the teal. Try that again. Look at that! Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the white does things. White and black do things
differently.
Yes, you don't expect. And we're printing on white paper, so ittle be fun to see.
See what it
keep
does.
adding a few more.
Okay.
And you just let this take shape. And pretty much.
Kate, this could be the whole show. I mean, I love everyone coming, but we could do this all day.
70s music.
I feel that.
And,
I feel it. When the moon
Exactly. So there now some little bubbles have appeared. So I'm going to pop those with a toothpick.
Okay.
Because if we don't,
then you'll have
is
bubbles.
not going to print.
Okay.
Oops, I kind of mixed.
That's okay. I like
now,
the
one
whole.
more step.
Okay.
I'm going to give you like a little chopstick.
Mm-hmm.
And you're just going to glide through the design.
Did you go up and down and up?
Up and down, or you can go in circles.
Okay.
And it's going to make hearts, flowers. Oh, I'm so glad you can see this on camera. Good.
This is really beautiful.
Kind of floral thing in the middle. And this is why kids like this a lot because, you know.
Oh, wow.
Then when you're ready for your paper,
okay,
you're going to just basically fold it like this and drop so that the
it stays on top.
Yeah, and the middle is going to land first.
Okay,
and then just gently lay your sides down.
Just let it like that.
That's it. You're doing it perfectly. And there it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you wait a few minutes. Now you can do this with fabric, tennis shoes, baseball caps, all kinds of things. But you need a deeper container.
Yeah.
And then after you've waited a minute, we just pull it up.
You guys, wait till you see this. I think I did it.
I think you did an awesome one.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Look at that. In the few,
so cool.
I'm telling you, very
cool. Now, the question is, can we reuse this? Yes, but this, we have a little residue of ink. So you just take some newspaper and slide that residue color, pick it up, and then we'll throw that paper away, and then you can redo it. So what to do with marble paper? I have a couple examples.
Yeah.
Yes, that's my favorite.
Okay, so little gifty bags.
A little gift bag, credit card holder maybe, and this is covering a journal.
Right, so if you would take a trip to Seattle and back, Sophia, you could make your own little journal.
From your own marbled Italian style paper.
Oh, I love it.
And this is a little tea bag holder. So you just open this up and then you've got your tea bags inside.
I love
Give it to a friend or put it in your
Or you could just frame it. You know, I'm also thinking all the time, it's one key to having a really cool looking home, and your home is to have funky stuff that nobody else has. That's a little weird, right? And it's a good weird.
It's a good story.
It's a good story. I can see that going in a couple of different places.
Yeah.
Really
now,
cute.
as it dries, it's going to curl up a little bit. So when it gets a little dry, you're going to weight it with books to flatten it. And that's just
two colors.
Teal and white.
Teal and white. That is beautiful. This one is, you've got yellow, red, teal. Oh,
yep, just those three.
And then
the
similar,
yellow is very predominant.
Yeah, I really love that though. And then finally, you've got kind of again. Look at that. Just adding yellow. The two different. These are similar. They could both go on the wall.
So if you get the kit, you just get the primary colors. I thought the colors might mix more, but they don't.
Okay.
They just push each other aside.
All right. Well, that was a great craft.
Italian paper marbling.
Italian paper marbling. Okay, tell everybody what's happening at the Heart Gallery.
Oh, we have a lot going on in the summer. Craft and Crave, which is an event where you make a craft project, and then a personal chef has a paired dinner with it. And the next one is flower themed. So you're making a watercolor flower painting with Molly Miller and edible florals in the dinner.
I love it. Thank you so much, Kate Philibom.
Good job. I love it.
No, the fun craft. What a great one to do with the grandkids. There's no heat or sharp things. I guess this, but that's about it. Thank you so much.